Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, in the last class, we discussed that is the exercise number 4.2, right? So, exercise number 4.2, only first mean I solved, right? So, next mean I didn't, that is a subtraction is there, okay? Today, we'll solve with the second mean, okay? Start the second mean, 4.2, second mean. Second main, the first problem. 7 by 13 minus 3 by 30. Okay. So if the denominators are same, nothing to do anything here. Just only we have to subtract the numerator values and write. Okay. If the denominator is not same, then only we have to take a LCM. If the denominators are same, then no need to take a LCM here. Okay. So denominator is same. So directly subtract the numerator values. That is 7 minus 3 is what? 7 minus 3, that is 4. 4 by 13. Next B one. 5 by 12 minus 1 by 6. Okay. 5 by 12 minus 1 by 6. So here denominator are both are the different. Then we have to take here a LCM for that one. Okay. So what is the LCM here? 12, 6. 6 ones are, sorry, 6 twos are, 6 ones are, 2 ones are. 6 into 2, that is 12, right? So 12 is the LCM here. So this will become a 5 by 12. So already 12 is there, leave. And here 1 by 6 into 2 by 2, that is 2 by 12. Now subtract 5 by 12 minus 2 by 12. That is 3 by 12. Answer is what? 3 by 12 is the answer. Getting everyone? Next, C one. 7 integer, 4 by 5 minus 5 integer, 2 by 3. First make it as a improper fraction. This is the given in a mixed fraction. So convert into a improper fraction first. 5 7 is 35. 35 plus 4 is 39 by 5 minus here. Now take the LCM. 5 comma 2. 5 ones are and here 2 ones are. So 5 into 2 is 10. 10 is the LCM. So now 35 by 9 into 2 and here it is 30 by 2 into 5 by 5, that is a 160 by 10. Now subtract these two values. 78 by 10 minus, correct. Okay. Now subtract these two values. What it will become? Once again, sorry, 5 to the 15, 15 plus 5 to 15, it will become now 39 5 to the 15, 15 into 2 is 15 plus 2 is 17 by 3. Okay. So we take another 5 and 2. Sorry, here 3 is there. Make it correction. Now find the LCM of 5 and 3. So it is a 15, right? So 15 means here 39 by 5 into 3 by 3, that is 3, 2, 3, 10, 9, 11 here and it is 15 and 17 by 3 into 5 by 5 and it is 15. Now subtract the values. 117 minus 85 by 15. Now denominator are same here. So subtract only numerator values. What is the answer? 117 minus 85. 17 minus 5 is 8. 11 minus 9 is 2. And here 0. So what is the answer? 28 by 15. Okay. 28 by 15 is the answer. Okay. So next main is the next problem. Seat 1. Seat 1. 7 integer 4 by 5 and minus 5 integer 2 by 3. Okay. Now multiply here. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 4 is 39 by 5 minus 3. This one only we did know. Now we'll do with these one. These one second name. 14 by 15 minus 2 by 3. Okay. So what is the LCM here? 15, 3. 3 5s are 3 1s are. So 5 1s are. 3 into 5 is 15. So 15 is the LCM. So already it is the 14 by 15 is there. No need to change. And 2 by 3 multiply with the 5 by 5. It will become a 10 by 15. Now subtract here. 14 by 15 minus this 10 by 15. What is the answer? 4 by 15 is the answer. 4 by 15 is the answer. Okay. So next one is a eighth one. Do the eighth problem. This is also mixed fraction the even. First convert into a improper fraction. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20 by 3 minus 7 to the 21. 22 by 7. What is the LCM of this 3 and 7? LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Okay, so 20 by 3 into 7 by 7. That is the 140 divided by 21. And 22 by 7 into 3 by 3. That is 66 by 21. Okay, so LCM is 21 here. So subtract 140 minus 66. That is 4 here. And 14 minus 7 is 7. Okay, so it's 74 divided by 21 is the answer. 74 divided by 21 is the answer. Go for the F problem. What is the F one given? Second main F. 8 minus 3 by 5. Here 1 is there. LCM is 5. Okay. So here 8 by 1 into 5 by 5 we have to do 40 by 5 is already 3 by 5 is there. So then this 30 40 minus 3. So it is 37 by 5 is the answer. 37 by 5 is the answer. Okay. So we completed second main also. Now go for the third main. What is the third main they given here? Observe properly. Priya travelled a 3 by 4th of a kilometer by a car and 1 by 2 of a kilometer, that is by an auto, and she walked 1 by 7th of the kilometer. And how far did she go in all? Okay, total agi ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Okay, so Priya traveled a 3 by 4th of the kilometer by a car and 1 by 2 of a kilometer by an auto, and she walked 1 by 7 of a kilometer. And how far did she go in all? Means you have to do the addition of all the things. Third way. one, that is Priya traveled, right? That is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7. Now take the LCM of those. 2 2s are 2 1s are 7 2 1s are and again here 7. So 2 into 2 into 7. 4 4 7s are 28. 28 is the LCM here. Okay. So here first 3 by 4 is multiplied by 7 by 7. It is 21 by 28 it will come. 1 by 2 is multiplied by 14 by 14. That is 14 by 28. Next 1 by 7 is multiplied by 4 by 4. That is 4 by 28. See here, all the denominators same. Okay, I write here and add now. 21 plus 14 plus 4. Okay, all the numerator you have to add here. So that is 21 plus 18 divided by 28. It is 39 by 28. Okay. The answer is 39 by 28 kilometer. So you can make into a mixed fraction or else write like this one. Both are correct. You can make this one as into a mixed fraction. Otherwise write this one only. Both are correct. Okay. So next one is a fifth main, that is a recipe needs 3 by 5 fifth of the spoon of a butter and 2 by 7th of the spoon of a baking powder, and how much more butter is required than a baking powder. Okay, so how much more means you have to do the subtraction here. That is a recipe needs a 3 by 5th spoon of a butter and 2 by 7th spoon of a baking powder. How much more butter is required than the baking powder? Okay, that is butter. In butter you have to subtract the baking powder. That is a 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7 you have to do. Sorry, fourth one, right? I told fifth one. Sorry, first do the fourth one. What is the fourth one they given here? Mr. Lee bought a 5 liters oil in a month and 5 by 7 liter was used. How much oil is left? Then you have to do the subtraction. Okay. So fourth one, 5 minus 5 by 7. They bought a 5 liter of oil, right? And they used to 5 by 7th of that one. And how much is left over? They are asking. For that you have to do the subtraction here. Do the subtraction. Here nothing is there mean 1. What is the LCM? 7 only. So 5 by 1 into 7 by 7, that is 35 by 7 here. And it is already 5 by 7. Now do the subtraction. That is 35 minus 5. Answer is 30 by 7. Okay. 30 by 7th liter of oil is left over. That is the meaning of that problem. Okay. Next, fifth one. I told fifth one, right? Now fifth one. Fifth one, that is a 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. What is the LCM of that one? 5 comma 7. 5 ones are 7 ones are. So 5 into 7 is 35. So LCM is here 35 only. Now here 5 sevens are and 7 fives. So 3 sevens are 21 minus 2 fives are 10. That is 11 by 35 is the answer. Okay. 11 by 35 spoon. How much more butter is required than the baking powder they asked. So 11 by 35 teaspoon is more butter is required than the baking powder. That is the answer. Okay. Let's go for the sixth one. Shreya spent a 2 integer 1 by 5 hours watching cartoons on a Saturday and 1 integer 1 by 4 hours watching a cartoons on a Sunday. How many hours did Shreya spend watching cartoons over the weekend? You have to do the addition. Okay. Do. Sixth one. 2 integer 1 by 5 plus 1 integer 1 by 4. Okay. So now first convert into a improper fraction. That is 5 to the 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5 plus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4. Now take the LCM of 5 and 4. What is the LCM of 5 and 4 here? That is 20. Right? So here 20. Next, if you don't know directly, then do this like 4 by 4, that is 44 by 20, and here 5 by 4 means multiply with the 5 by 5, 25 by 20. Okay. Now 44 plus 25. Now add the values. 5 here 69. So 69 by 20 is the answer. What is the answer? 69 by 20 is the answer. Getting? Okay. So this is the method. We have to solve the, we have to add the given fractions which have a different denominator value. Okay. So in next class we will study the multiplication of a fraction, multiplication by a whole number. Okay. Multiplication fraction by a fraction. And after that we are having a division of a fraction. If once division of a fraction is completed, then this chapter is over, I think. Yes. Okay. So after that, after 2 more class, we'll start the 5th chapter. Okay. So homework is solve exercise number 4.2 in a HW. That is a homework for you. Okay. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you everyone.